Hi, since ancient times, people searching for treatment for erectile dysfunction. So they try so many herbs and natural remedies, but they are all not much effective. Usually, yohimbin, a tree, they extract from the tree, and so many things. They have tried various things, but they are all not very effective. Um, in the early 1960s, they have tried to keep some bone inside the penis, operate, keeping a bone inside the penis and operate. This they have tried initially. Then they keep penile prosthesis, plastic tubes, elastic tubes inside the penis, and they operate initially. And in early 70s, Masters and Johnson, they have devised a therapy for sexual dysfunction. It is actually they have divided the sexual problems into desire disorder, erectile dysfunction, penetration problem, and ejaculatory problem. So scientifically, first Masters and Johnson analyzed sex, and they have come to a conclusion that 70 to 80% of their sexual problems are mind related. So they have devised sex therapy. Then in 80s, they have found out an injection. We put the injection in the penis will erect. So a drug can cause erection. That is the 80s. Then up to 98, all the sexologists, they were practicing injecting inside the penis so that patients can have good erection. Then tablet Viagra totally revolutionized the concept. So taking a pill can cause very good erection. Then after shockwave therapy, then now we have penile nerve stimulation and P-shot injections now. After Viagra, now tadalafil, vardenafil, wodanafil, lavanafil, we have lot of other drugs followed. So now sexual problems are 100% treatable, and no one need to suffer. Now we do large number of surgeries. Those who cannot have any effect on all other medications, they can go for surgery finally. So first line treatment is tablets and medicines, therapy. Second line treatment is shockwave therapy, penile nerve stimulation, penile injections, piperacillin, Muse medicated urethral device. These are all second line. Third line treatment, surgery. So now, from in the age of 18 to 80 years, they can have good erection. Any problem can be treated. They can have enjoyable, happy life. Thank you.